Hello and welcome back to the lesson. Today we are going to learn about strategies of attracting new customers. The subject is principles of marketing and communication. Attracting new customers, also known as customer acquisition, is a process of bringing people into your market funnel and converting them from strangers to first-time buyers. In 2026, in Kenya and the rest of most of the countries, the market is heavily driven by mobile, fast digital experiences, and community trust. In this lesson, we're going to analyze some of the strategies that a company may use to bring people into its marketing funnel, then convert the people into first-time buyers of the products that the company is offering. So the first strategy is to leverage social commerce. You can leverage social commerce and short form videos, because candidates, social media is no longer just for likes. It is a digital marketplace. Social media is a digital marketplace, right? Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube are the primary drivers of discovery for mainly the youth and the middle class segments. So if you want to you want the middle class or the youth to buy your products, then you cannot ignore platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. These are the primary drivers of discovery for youth and also the middle class segments. And one tactic that you can use when leveraging social media commerce or short form videos is to create edutainment content videos. Videos that show behind the scenes, they show product tutorials, customer transformations, and so on. That is a tactic, because Kenyans trust what they can see in action. So you may come up with a 30-second video of unboxing or day in the life, which builds more trust than static images. You understand? So leverage social media and also short form videos. Short form videos. That's the first way to attract new customers, because candidates, most people now are on social media. Most people have the mobile phone, and therefore you can reach them on their phone through videos and edutainment content. That's the first strategy. The second strategy is influencer and macro influencer partnerships. Influencer partnerships. Influencer partnerships. Customers are increasingly skeptical of corporate advertisements. They prefer recommendations from the people they follow or trust. The tactic here is to partner with micro influencers or the main influencers. The micro influencers are people who have, say, 1,000 to 1,000 followers, who have a dedicated niche. You understand? Yes. So if someone has a dedicated niche, has 10,000 followers, 15,000 followers, 1 million followers, then you can partner with them to market your products. Because micro influencers often have higher engagement rates and are more affordable for small businesses than the celebrities. You understand? Yes. Influencer partnerships and micro-influencer partnerships. So you can partner with influencers to market your products. The third strategy for attracting new customers is local CEO, local CEO, search engine optimization. Most customers start their search with the X near me, all right? Best SPA near Kilimani, or hardware store in Kisumu, all right? That is local search engine optimization. They start with the nearest place they are. They search their products from the places they stay, their location, local CEO. So the tactic when you want to attract customers through local CEO or geo optimization is to optimize your Google business profile. Optimize your Google profile, Google business profile, by ensuring that your location, your phone number, and operating hours are accurate. They should also be actively encourage. You should actively encourage new customers to leave reviews, because that captures the high intent customers. The high intent customers are customers who are ready to buy right now and are looking for the closest option. So if you have a shop, make sure you have the right working hours, indicate the right working hours, have the phone on so that you can be reached anytime. You understand? Yes. Local CEO and geo optimization. That's another way to attract new customers. Number 4, there are many ways, candidates. We have referral and word of mouth programs. Referral and word of mouth programs. This is yet another strategy. Referral and word of mouth programs. Family recommendations. We have the chamas. If a friend says a product is good, people believe them. Word of mouth. If someone says, I've been using this product, so you can use word of mouth. And the tactic is to offer a refer a friend discount. Give both the existing customer and the new customer a small reward. It could be, say, 200 off your next M-Pesa payment when you invite a friend. And it works really because it turns your current customers into volunteer market sales force. It's like converting your current customers into your marketing team. They become part of your marketing team. Word of mouth. People believe that a lot. When you hear someone use a product and it is good, that is a word of mouth, and it is a way to attract new customers. You should have programs that encourage referrals and word of mouth in order to protect, to market your products. It turns your current customers into a volunteer sales force. Number 5, there are so many ways, candidates. I'll just give a few. We have WhatsApp business automation. WhatsApp business automation. Now, with nearly everyone on WhatsApp, using WhatsApp business API to automate replies and send catalogs is a powerful way to close the deal with new leads. Almost everyone is on WhatsApp, and the tactic is to use click to WhatsApp ads on Facebook or Instagram, so that when a new customer sees your ad, they can start a conversation with you instantly. You have ads on Facebook with click to WhatsApp. So when someone is scrolling on Instagram or on Facebook, they see your advertisement. When they click on it, take them to WhatsApp where they can order, you can send them the catalogs and so on. That's another way to attract new customers. So these are just 5 strategies. There are many more strategies. Looking at, I singled out some strategies that are very related to the current situation we are in today. Okay, most people are on social media, so you can leverage social media commerce and short form videos to attract new customers. Use influencer partnerships. You can do the search engine optimization, referrals or word of mouth programs. Then there is WhatsApp business automation. These are 5 ways of attracting new customers, which we said is a process of bringing people into your marketing funnel. Then you convert them from being strangers to first-time buyers. And we've said that in the world today, in 2026, the world is heavily driven by digital experience, mobile first digital experiences, and community trust. So the strategies must revolve around digital experiences and community trust. So thank you. We'll meet in our next session. We'll continue to share knowledge in marketing. Bye-bye.